is around here. Okay. I mean, I'm not really being smart, technically. You came in here all hostile, telling me how to cut hair. Oh, you weren't doing that? Sorry. Okay, let's reset. And just, let's redo this again. Okay. Alright, hey, my name is, Ben Bob. Oh, you know that's not my real name. Okay, oh, you know that too. Okay, alright. Anyways, let me get back to my job, okay? This is a number. This is a number 3. Number 3. Why am I repeating myself? Don't worry about it. I cut my hair my way. You cut your hair your way. Oh, you don't cut your hair. Okay, then be quiet. Alright. Number 3. Let me go on with this number 3, brother. Let me get you right. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me get that spot real quick. Man, you got a lot of negative hair, man. A lot of negative hair. It needs to go. All this negative hair needs to go. All that hair out of your body. Hey, look, dog. If you're gonna let me cut your hair, you gotta keep your head up. Don't put your head down like that. I know you don't mean it, but I mean it gets in the way of the cut, dog. Like I can't work like that. I know, bro. I know. Okay, you're tired. Your girlfriend was mean to you all day, and I gotta stop you right here. Okay? I just gotta be honest. You brush your teeth today? Huh? You didn't hear me? I said, did you brush your teeth today? 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 Brush your teeth, 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 brush. Did you brush your musty ass teeth today? Okay, did you brush your teeth? Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. You didn't? What time? You brush your teeth at 5? It's 7 right now. You telling me you brushed your teeth 2 hours ago? And it stank? Brush your teeth at 5. Now that we got that out the way, let's go back in more. I'm gonna just have to not breathe for like the rest of the time we're here. Okay, I'm gonna have to breathe, but damn, man, come on. Let me line you up. Get your box head looking so. Okay. I like it. You look kinda good, dog. I ain't even finna lie to you. Okay. Line up the beard. Line up that beard real quick. Got it. Because I done forgot a lot of mistakes. Okay. Here you go, dog. Alright. You needed a lot. Oh, you needed a lot, dog. Just trust me, you needed a lot. You needed a lot of cologne. You needed a lot of cologne. Because you don't take a shower, I guess. I don't know, man. Look, man, it's your girl's birthday. I'm trying to make you look. I mean, it's your girl's birthday. I'm just trying to get you right, brother. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay, let me go in again. Let me get all this. Okay. Relax. Hey, man, I'm trying to get you relaxed. Stop being weird. Relax. Thank you for